How is this possible? Getting a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 to work with the MagSafe wireless charger. Stay tuned, we're going to show you how it's done. Alright, here we have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and what we're going to do today is basically we were in the process of replacing the screen. As you can see, the plastic is still on there. Something occurred to me, just because Apple has this technology called MagSafe, and many phones have wireless chargers for a few years now, including this one, this Galaxy Note 8. And I will show you here. This is the MagSafe charger from Apple, and I will put it on there. And if you give it just a few seconds, there you go, it's showing that it's charging. So the question is, can this be used with the magnet in a way that it won't fall off? Well, I already tried with the cover on and it kept falling off. So apparently the cover doesn't allow the magnet, the power of the magnet, to stick to the phone like it should. It's doing it now, but it's doing it now just like you see there, because there's no cover on it. There's no cover on the back. We have not yet put the cover on there. So we were in the process of replacing the screen, and I thought to myself, what if we can get any Android phone like this one and make it MagSafe compatible, where the MagSafe charger won't fall off, where it can actually hold the phone if you were to hang it like this. And something occurred to me. The same part that would work to make MagSafe happen, we would put it on this phone, which is this little thing here. It's like a ring of magnets, and put it on there, and then after that's already in there, put the cover on. Would this work? We don't know yet. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. So basically, this is the part, and what we're going to do is put it, if you can look on here, there's a circle area, and obviously that's the wireless charger accessory or part. So I'm going to basically remove the plastic here, and these little magnets have a little bit of adhesive, so we're going to try to stick it on there. Once it's down like this, we're going to remove this part, this outer plastic. We're going to put the cover on there and give it a shot, and we're going to kind of align it. It's actually pulling it because there is some metals to it, so I just want to make sure I get it right dead in the center before those adhesives start to stick to it, as you can see there. So let's see, maybe right there. Let's see. Let's see if that works before we pull it off. So there's your MagSafe, and it is working. So we're going to leave it right where it is. Okay, so we're going to leave it right where it is. All you need to do is push down on it a little bit on that accessory. Then you need to pull back on this plastic. It's pretty much going to stay there. And see how the back cover comes into play, and make sure. We're going to test to see if there's a big, like, bulging camel back, so to speak. So we're dropping that in there just like so, and as you can see, if we look closely, it doesn't seem that little metallic ring caused any bulging on it at all. So let's see. Let's give it a test. Would it stick Look at that. I mean, you would have to really hit it hard to get it out of there. And there it is. It's showing you that it's charging. So with that kit that we showed you, you can see that the MagSafe actually, I mean, you can tug on it and feel that it's really just, even if you kind of dangle it there, you can feel that it really kind of sucks it into the body. So the same concept that's used on the Apple iPhone, you can pretty much, any phone, just put that ring in there, that metallic ring. All it is, it's a ring of really thin magnets, and then you can use any MagSafe charger to it, and just like you can see, it's not going to go anywhere. So thought we'd show you that that can be done. If it's something you want us to do for you, I mean, it is a little bit of a task to take that back cover off, but if it's something you want us to do for you, just contact us and we can set something up and do it for you as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. And there you go, folks. As you can see, I'm holding it and it's working with the MagSafe charger using the magnets shown on the video. Of course, as you can see, it's holding it nice and tight. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.